Hey guys, I'm Sumita Kari. So are you looking for a power bank that's great looking, lightweight, with super fast charging and is safe to use? Well, look no further. I have with me today the Xiaomi Power Bank 2i 10000 mAh 18 watt fast charging, which looks absolutely gorgeous and has great features. Now here are the top 3 things that make it stand out from the rest of the products in this category. Let's begin with the 9-layer protection that this power bank actually comes with. We'll talk about design a little later. I know that's the first thing that I talk about, but the fact that it is safe is the most important thing for me, at least. The 9-layer protection actually makes the battery safe to use. In fact, the previous one, the version that came before this, had a 12-layering protection. For some reason, Xiaomi decided to do away with that. It's got lithium polymer batteries, which essentially ensures that your power bank is protected against any short circuit or overcurrent or over voltage situations that you may face sometimes, which might lead to, your fuses going out and, the phone's getting discharged, or sometimes even overcharging and heating up. So all that is not going to happen with this one because of lithium-ion battery, and that, I believe, is the most important thing you should consider while purchasing a power bank, besides of course a huge battery backup. So there is great power retention, no power leakage, all of that is sorted. So after we are sorted on the safety bit, now let's come to charging. That is the other important thing. It's got 18 watt fast charging for your devices using the same USB type port. Actually, this is the cable that comes along. It's got the type A and type C ports, and interestingly, these are two-way or bidirectional, which actually means that you can not just charge your phones, laptops and headphones and any other smart device, but this can be used for charging as well. You can charge this device as well, and these are actually the ports that are used for charging your devices. In fact, you have some LED buttons over here. The power button, this is the power button. These are the LED buttons that will actually show you how much battery is left and how much has been consumed. So that's design-wise, I think it's really, really great. That is also a part of, in fact, a battery only. Next up, design. Now it's got a great aluminium casing, which is what is my favorite part of it. It's got a metal body, which gives it a really nice texture, a very smooth one actually, and it doesn't weigh as heavy as well. So it's, I think, better to have a metal casing, to have a metal body than have a plastic body, because plastic bodies tend to heat up faster. And the other things about design is that you can see a tiny Xiaomi logo. It's done very, very nicely, very, very slickly. It's not something that's jutting out, and then there are some characters actually etched at the back of the power bank. These are also nice. The print quality at the bottom of the power bank describing all the specs is also great. The other thing is about its shape. It's got a curved shape, which actually makes the grip very, very comfortable and is secure in your hand grip. It's not too big also, that won't fit the palm of your hand, but at the same time it's big enough to ensure a good battery backup. So I think design-wise, battery-wise and safety-wise, I think it's a huge thumbs up for me. I hope that helped you make up your mind about this power bank, and for more you can find me on Instagram at @Sumita Kari. I'll be hanging out there, and see you guys soon with yet another product.